At 6th Avenue Storytelling, we help build brands by sharing stories that make an impact. Footnotes is our bi-weekly email where we share with you our best tips, tricks, and steps for growing a business so you can start growing yours today. I'm here today to talk to you about the value and benefit of pursuing one true fan instead of lots and lots and lots of eyeballs. I think a mistake that businesses make is they try to cast a huge wide net. I think a mistake a lot of marketing companies make is they talk about impressions and they talk about eyeballs. What really matters, in my opinion, is engaging and connecting with someone on a very deep level so that they become a true lifelong fan. That one fan that actually uses your product or uses your product for life is infinitely more valuable than 1,000 people who either don't buy and just see it, or 1,000 people who buy it once and leave. I think that's one of the benefits of organic social media is when someone says, man, this is an interesting brand, I'm choosing to follow it, I'm choosing to engage, I'm choosing to invite it into my life and feed. Those are the best type of customers. I always use the example of my favorite restaurant in town is a place called Joe T. Garcia's Mexican food restaurant. I've been going there since I'm a kid. I am probably a $30,000 to $40,000 customer there. It's my favorite restaurant. They take great care of me. What I mean by $30,000, $40,000 customer is I've had birthday parties there. I have my company Christmas party every year there. My wife has had fundraisers there. We have been throwing events there and going there every couple weeks. I am the most valuable type of fan. If you can get one person like that who you connect with on a deep level and chooses to follow you, infinitely more valuable than 1,000 impressions.